This Berkshire Hathaway HomeServices Towne Realty property video is presented by Nied. Stunning views of the bay, all the way to the eastern shore. Wrapping decks with views unsurpassed from every room. Condo needs a complete renovation. Value is in the location, unit size and view and balcony. Cash or rehab financing only. Property is being sold by a conservator and as a result requires approval by a commissioner of accounts before any offer can be ratified. For more information, review the details below.